Hi guys, it's Leslie. Thank you for watching. Welcome back. So you're here for some tips and tricks on what to do when your eyelash glue pen doesn't seem to be sticky or is seeming to be drying out. We're gonna fix that problem for you, okay? So, and also before we jump in, if you'd like to know more about this eyelash glue pen and how it can make you money and the great business opportunity behind it, go ahead and find the link below and you'll get all of the details. Okay, let's get started. First thing is that you're going to want to shake your eyelash glue pen before you use it. Give it a good shake just to get everything going in there. Also, you're going to want to store your glue pen down, not up, so that all of the, the stickiness and glue and adhesive goes down, but you want to do it this way so that it goes towards the tip. So that's a great tip to do, not on the side, this way. Also, when you're applying it, just make sure against your hand or against something, just maybe run it against there a few times or prime it like this, just to get the adhesive flowing more into the tip. And also, when you're using it, make sure the cap is on completely tight before you store it. If there's a gap in there at all, if you're storing it like this, that's not good. You're getting air in there. So you want to make sure it's all the way. And then, when you're applying it, if you apply it a little bit to the side, not just the tip, but a little bit to the side like that, so that it gets on there correctly, that also will help with the adhesive. But let's go ahead and actually do it right now. So as you can see, I'm holding the pen to the side and getting as much on there from the side of it as I can. Also, if you do a couple of coats instead of just one, maybe do 2, even 3, just to get it completely covered. That's a lot easier with the clear, but you can also do it with the black. And also pay attention to the inner and outer corners of your eye so that the eyelash does not flip up. So if you do several coats of it and you are getting the side of the pen against your skin as well as the tip, that would help getting the glue flowing much more easily. Put the eyelash on. And voila, it's sticky. So the first few times I was having trouble with getting it to be stickier like it was the first time. The first time the hold went on really perfectly, and then I had to learn the tricks to get it to continue to stay that way. So if you keep good care of your pen will last you for quite some time. So let's do the other eye. All right. So I hope this has helped you with some tips and tricks for your eyelash glue pen. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video. And also make sure to either subscribe or check out all the information and links below to get your own eyelash glue pen or to find out about Juvenet. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.